Hi everyone, welcome to Miracle Refrigeration website. Now you are on our pipe bender page. This is Faith. Today I want to make a brief introduction for our pipe bender. Firstly, I want to show you this kind of pipe bender. It is focused from carbon steel material and which is strong enough for your bending work and ensure it will have a longer service life. And you can see we made a non-slip design that will make sure more effort saving when you're bending work. And also you can see we made a very clear scale that will help you to find the suitable copper pipe size and improve your working efficiency. And it will provide the bending range from 0 degree to 180 degree, like this. And for the detailed info specification, you can check our below page. And secondly, I want to show you this spring pipe bender. It is more flexible and strong enough. It provides you the pipe bending diameter from 6 mm to 16 mm. So if you are interested in any of our pipe benders, just click the button and contact one of our professional sales right now.